Good morning, children. Now we are going to see the fourth sum. The fourth sum they have given is show that the equations 5x plus 3y plus 7z equal to 4, 3x plus 26y plus 2z equal to 9, then 7x plus 2y plus 10z equal to 5 are consistent and solve them by the rank method. Okay, now we are going to start the solution. So first of all, we are going to start the solution by the given equations are the given equations are 5x plus 3y plus 7z equal to 4. Then 3x plus 26y plus 2z equal to 9. Then 7x plus 2y plus 10z equal to 5. So these are the given equations we have written. So from this equation we are going to write down the matrices form. The matrices form of the given equation. The matrix form of the given equation is 5, 3, 7, 3, 26, 2, 7, 2, 10. Okay, then x, y, z, then that is equal to 4, 9, 5. So this is we are writing here what is the coefficient before the number term we are now writing. Then the x, y and z taking separately, then the constant term. So this is of the form A matrix, then x is the variable term, then B is this matrix. Now we are just taking a augmented matrices. Augment matrix A comma B. A comma B is it equal to 5, 3, 7, 4. 3, 26, 2, 9, 7, 2, 10, 5. So, like this we are writing. Next what we have to do? We have to write the augment matrix and the elementary transformation. So, augmented matrix, then elementary transformation. So before sum I have said the first number should be the 0. So for that what we are going to do? The first step, you just write down the given matrix. 2, 9, then 7, 2, 10, 5. So here you see the row wise the 3 is the least number. So I am going to write down this row as the first row. Okay. So we are writing as 3, 26, 2, 9, then 5, 3, 7, 4, then 7, 2, 10, 5. So what is the transformation we have did? R1 exchanges R2. So this is the transformation I have did. So next we have to, first of all we have to make here as 1. So for that I am doing as, I am going to R1 divide by, so R1 divide by 3 I am going to do it. So 3 by 3, then 26 by 3, then 2 by 3, then 9 by 3. So remaining everything you just as it you write it. 10, 5 you have written. Okay, so this is the first step we are going to do is, first of all we are just interchanging. Next what we are doing? We just doing the divide by 3 we are doing. Now what is the answer you will be getting? That is 1, 26 by 3, then 2 by 3, then 3, then 5, 3, 7, 4, then 7, 2, 10, 5. Okay, next we are going to make this is as the 0. First of all we need the echelon form, means this 3 numbers should be 0. So first of all, I have to make this 5 as the 0. So for that one, we are going to do what we have to do? R2 implies R2 minus 5 R1. So this is the transformation we have to do it. Then what is the answer? You will be getting 1, 26 by 3, then 2 by 3, then 3. Here 0. Here what is the answer? You will be getting 3 minus, here 3 minus 5 into 26 by 3. Then 9 minus 26 into 5, what is the answer? Will be get 130 you will get. Next, what is this? 5 into 26, 130 by 3. Then you just take the LCM here. LCM if you take means what is the answer? 3 into 3. So 9. Okay, then 9 minus 130. So that implies minus 121 by 3 you will get. So minus 121 by 3. Then likewise here is 7 is there. Then 7 minus, okay, then 5 into 2 by 3. Okay, so 7 minus 10 by 3. So that implies 30 minus 10 by 3. So what is the answer here? You will be getting 7 into 3 is 21. So 21 minus 10. What is the answer you will get? That is 11 by 3. So 11 by 3. Next what is here? You will get the answer minus 11. Then 7, 2, 10, 5 you will get. Then lastly, what is the step again we have to do? You have to make it as 0. So 1, 26 by 3, then 2 by 3, then 3, then 0, minus 121 by 3, then 11 by 3, then minus 11. And here what we have to make the changes? R3 implies R3 minus 7 R1 you have to write it. So for that one, what is answer? You will be getting 0. Then here what is answer? You will be getting here 2 minus then 7. What is answer here? 7 into 26 by 3. So that implies 6 minus 182. So 26 into 7 is 182 by 3. So minus 176 by 3 you will get. So minus 176 by 3. Here likewise 10 minus 11 by 3. Okay, here what is the answer here? 10 is there. Minus 7 into 2 by 3. So 10 minus 14 by 3. Then you take the LCM, 13 minus 14 by 3. What is the answer you will get here? 16 by 3. Then as if you simplify here means 5 minus 7 into 3 is minus 16 you will get. Next here you see the 21 and 121 is 11 into 11 you will get the answer. Here likewise if you divide by the 16 table you will get the 11 as the answer. So 1, 26 by 3, 2 by 3, then 3, then 0, then R2 divide by 11, then R3 divide by 16. So what is the answer you will get here? 11 by 3. Then 1 by 3, then minus 1. Here 0 minus 11 by 3, then 1 by 3 minus 1. Then what you have to make the changes here? Here you have to make it as 0. So 1, 26 by 3, then 2 by 3, then 3, then 0, minus 11 by 3, then 1 by 3, then minus 1. Then R3 implies R3 minus of R2 you have to do it. Then only what you will be getting? Minus 11 by 3, then minus 11 by 3. So minus into minus you will get plus. So 0, 0. Then here what you will be getting? 1 by 3 minus 1 is 0. Then here also 0 you will get. So therefore you see this is A. And both the things if you consider means A comma B. So row of A equal to row of A comma B is it equal to 2, that is less than the number of unknowns. Okay, so actually the number of unknowns will be this echelon form, but here you see the number of unknown is more than is there. Okay, so we are getting nearly how many zeros we are getting 5 zeros we are getting. So that one we are writing as rank of A is it equal to rank of A comma B is it equal to 2, because here only 2 rows we have the number terms, remaining and all this row is fully 0, so the rank is 2. Okay, next we are writing the system. The system is consistent with infinitely many solutions. So how I am writing now? 1, 26 by 3, then 2 by 3, then 0, minus 11 by 3, 1 by 3, 0, 0, 0. Then x, y, z. That is equal to 3 minus 1, 0. Okay, so this is how I am writing. Now I am going to write in the equation form. X plus 26 by 3, y plus 2 by 3 z equal to 3. Okay, so this is one equation. Next, how I can write the equation? Minus 11y, then plus minus 11 plus 1 by 3 into z equal to minus 1, I can write it. So that is minus 11 by 3 y plus 1 by 3 z equal to minus 1. So let this be equation 1, this be equation 2. Next I am going to put z equal to k. Okay, because the z value is not there, so put z equal to k in equation 2 I am going to put it. So if I put the minus 11 by 3 y plus 1 by 3 into k equal to minus 1. Then minus 11 by 3 y plus k by 3 equal to minus 1. Next what I can do? Take this k term as next side. Minus 11 by 3 y is equal to minus 1 minus k by 3. Next I am just going to take this as LCM here. Then minus 1 by 1 minus k by 3. So minus 1 by 1 into 3 then minus k by 3. Then minus 3 minus k by 3 and then by 3. So minus 3 minus k by 3 you will be getting. So that was what is the answer you will be getting here? Minus 3 minus k by 3. Here minus 11 by 3 y. Next you just minus 11 by 3 into y, then you take the minus outside. Then what is the answer you will be getting? 3 plus k by 3 you will be getting. Next you just cancel the minus. Next also you can cancel the y. Then what is the answer you will be getting? Y is it equal to 1 by 11 3 plus k. So this is the answer you will be getting for the y. Next what you have to do? We have to substitute this y value and z equal to k. Now put y is it equal to 1 by 11 3 plus k and z equal to k in equation 1. So x plus 26 by 3 1 by 11 3 plus k plus 2 by 3 into k equal to 3. Okay, so you have to write it like this. Next you have to what to do? We have to simplify it. So take this x equal to and take all the terms that side. So if you take all the terms that side means you will get it as minus, this is plus, that side means minus. So minus 26 by 3. Okay, here 3 plus k by 11, then minus 2k by 3 plus 3. Next what you have to do? You have to just multiply the denominator. So minus 26 3 plus k by 33, then minus 2k by 3 plus 3 by 1. Next I am going to take the LCM. Okay, so for taking the LCM, what is the LCM will be 33. So I am going to multiply here. So minus 26 3 plus k by 33 minus 2k by 3 into 11 into 2k into 11 plus 3 by 1 into 33 into 33. So what is the answer here? We'll be getting minus 78. So 26 into 3 is minus 78 minus 26k by 33 minus 22k by 33 plus 99 by 33. Now the denominators are all common, so we can add or subtract the numerator. So now that is equal to minus 78 minus 26k, then minus 22k plus 99 by 33. Next you just take the number terms alone one side. So minus 78 plus 99 minus 26k minus 22k by 33. Then what the answer you will be getting here? This is 21. So 99 minus 78, what is the answer? 21. Then minus 48k. So both are minus means you have to add it. Then minus 48 by 33. Then you just take the 3 alone outside. If you take the 3 alone outside means you will be getting 7 minus 16k by 33. Then that implies 3 by 33. Then 7 minus 16k. Then you just cancel 1 by 11, 7 minus 16k. Therefore, the solution set is 1 by 11, 7 minus 16k, comma k. Then 1 by 11, 3 plus k.